Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will understand how to interface a capacitive touch sensor with Arduino in the Proteus. In this project, we will detect touch input and display the result on a 20 by 4 LCD screen. A capacitive touch sensor is a device that detects the touches without any physical pressure. It works by sensing change in the capacitance when a human finger comes near or touches the surface. Unlike traditional button, it provides a more smooth and modern touch interface which is widely used in touch panels and smart devices. Before building the circuit, you will need to install the required libraries for the capacitive touch sensor and um, these libraries are made by the engineering projects and these allow the sensor to simulate inside the Proteus. You will need to download and install these libraries before starting the simulation. I will provide the download link in the description box. The first library you need for this project is the new LCD library for the Proteus. The second one is the Arduino library for the Proteus, and third one is the capacitive touch sensor library for the Proteus. Let's move towards the circuit. Here you can see it is a very simple circuit that contains this touch sensor, an Arduino, and the LCD. This is a digital sensor. So uh, we have used the logic toggle here. The output is obtained from this pin, and to make it more visible and to add more details in the project, I have used this LED here. So whenever the user uh, shows a high input, that means the finger is placed on this pin. The output here will show positive response, so this led will be lighten up. These signals uh, will be transferred to Arduino through this pin 7, and you will see the output here also on the LCD. So if it is a confusing at a bit at the moment, don't worry, you will see the output in just a bit. So let's move towards the code. Here you can see it is a very straightforward code that includes the liquid crystal library in Arduino, and after that we have defined the pins of the LED connected with the Arduino. The pin 7 is defined here. This is the digital pin and we will use it later in our code. The setup function contains these functions. Here we have defined, we have actually assigned the touch pin the input. Fine. So the input is the touch pin, and what is the touch pin? This is a pin 7 of Arduino. So the LCD is begin here and it will show us a simple message that this is a capacitive touch sensor interface, and after that the loop function start where the Arduino continuously checks the output from the circuit, and you can see that whenever the output is high on the sensor, Arduino will read it and will display it on the LCD, and vice versa is for uh, the off signals, that is the low signals. So let's verify the code to get the hex file address created in our system. As you can see, this is the address of the hex file. We have to copy it, see, and then go to our circuit where we will simply paste it in our Arduino library as I have done before, and click OK. So now when we play the circuit, we will see that the string message that we have defined in our code is shown here. This is the capacitive touch sensor interface, and at the moment the status is released because the signals here are low. So at the moment we are assuming that there is no finger on our touch sensor. So whenever we make it high, you can see this LED is lighten up, and the LCD also shows that the status currently is the touched and the signal are high. I hope this was a interesting video for you, and if you want to learn more or have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section.